Hello friends, welcome to my video. Today I am going to review all new Bharatbenz 4028 tractor. Bharatbenz 4028 comes with best-in-class features such as longer life engine, 3-piece bumper to reduce maintenance cost, globally proven SCR technology, which offers longer service intervals, engine overturn buzzer, turbocharger, gear shift advisor, anti-roll bars, power reduction compressor for better fuel efficiency, differential lock, fuel theft protection mesh, electronic brake flap for better fuel efficiency, advanced aerodynamic cabin, static steering, central locking, music system, power windows, air suspended driver seat, daytime running lamp, 800 hours of UV-tested long-lasting paint. Bharatbenz 4028 is certified with 41,500 kilograms of gross combination weight when coupled with twin air suspension trailers apart from the regular gross combination weight of 39,500 kilograms. Bharatbenz 4028 is powered by 7,200 cc, 6-cylinder, BS6 engine delivers out a maximum power of 210 kW at 2200 rpm and maximum torque of 1100 Newton meters between 1200 rpm and 1600 rpm. Coupled with 9-speed mechanical synchromesh gearbox and 430 mm diameter, single dry plate clutch. Wheelbase of the vehicle is 3,600 mm. Overall length is 6,063 mm. Overall width is 2,490 mm and overall height is 2,975 mm. Ground clearance is 304 mm. Fuel tank capacity is 455 liters and AdBlue tank capacity is 60 liters. Battery capacity is 24 volt 120 Ah. Gradability of the vehicle is 30.5%. Top speed of the vehicle is 80 km per hour. Turning circle diameter is 13.1 meters. Front and rear axle brakes are 410 mm drum. Front suspension is parabolic leaf spring with 2 hydraulic shock absorbers and rear suspension is semi-elliptical leaf spring. Steering is hydraulic power assisted. Radial tire size is 295 by 90 R20 and tubeless tire size is 295 by 80 R22.5.